Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this Spigen Neo Flex optical film screen protector for Apple Watch Series 7 45mm. 3-pack included inside, and let's open to see what we have inside, make the installation and protect this gorgeous and precious screen. Ooh. Nice Spigen. We've got this hardboard, and at the front we've got this fabric. It will help you to install the screen protector. Dust removal sticker, 2 of these. Do not throw away, use to remove dust before installing. Okay, great. Cleaning cloth. And there we've got the 3 screen protector, all that included on the box. So thin. This kit is a simple wet installation process, secure, a bubble-free application with zero lifting, with a self-heating technology. The NeoFlex deters scratches and fingerprints to keep your screen crystal clear and gives to your Apple Watch Series 7 the defense it deserves. Made from flexible materials to offer full screen coverage, wet installation ensures full adhesions with zero lifting. Self-heating technology with a lasting clarity, stays bubble-free with a zero glare or rainbows, and after installation you need to leave the device to dry overnight for absolute transparency. Now let's move on for installation with my Apple Watch. Okay, there's the smartwatch. We need only one screen protector for now. Dust removal. Remove any dust. Clean cloth. Clean it very well. Check for any dust or fingerprint. Oh, we've got this magic liquid. This is a sprayer. You need to spray at the screen. Now, remove the film. Whoa. And place it at the screen. Meant with a liquid install it, definitely you can manage to move around, make the adjustments, slide it with your fingers, and of course you can remove it again and reapply if you want. You can reapply more spray if you see it's not doing a great job. Okay, there we are. I think we are at the center. Okay, perfect. I don't see any bubbles for now. Do that, and at the corners you can reapply some liquid. Now you can see at the corners is moving. Now let's see how it goes. Now let's dry it a little bit. You need to just leave it at all night about 12 hours. And there you have it. No bubbles. You cannot even see where is the tempered glass. Wow. Amazing. Very good installation. I like it. And that's with no problem. Well guys, that was all about. If you want to protect your precious display at this watch from Apple Series 7, definitely it is a great choice. Buy this, make the installation. You have seen how you can install it and protect your precious smartwatch. Don't forget to watch the other two videos that I made about the armor and the watch band. You can see down below the description or in the corner in the end of this video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video. You never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.